Hello everyone, my name is Paul Jake Vigalingan.
My name is Aubrey Kyle Antasuday. We are here today with Sir
Matthew Sanidad.
We're going to ask questions about politicians. So, what are the most important issues that politicians need to focus on?
Well, in my opinion, based on my personal opinion, one of the most important issues na kailangan i-tackle ng mga politicians is corruption itself, because we all know that corruption is reducing the government or the society's funds. So, kung nababawasan yung mga funds natin is paano magpapatuloy i-solve yung mga other issues, societal issues natin, such as for poverty and even yung mga projects na in-implement. So, ayun, I think kailangang i-cease yung corruption sa government para magpatuloy yung mga projects and yung mga masolve na rin yung mga issues natin. Yeah.
And second question, do you think celebrities make good politicians?
Well, my answer for that is yes and no. Let's look at the positive side first. Kapag yes, because kapag yung celebrity is meron namang background sa politics, like nakagraduate naman siya ng pol-sci related course like BS Political Science, then go. Pwede siyang mag-apply for being a politician kasi at least meron naman siyang knowledge about laws, about yung mga judiciary branch and all of that. And no naman kapag yung mindset ng celebrity is hindi pa siya mature for dealing with politics, kasi kapag hindi pa naman siya mature is paano niya ma-interpret yung mga laws, paano siya makapag-formulate ng mga issues na pwede makatulong sa bayan. So yeah, yun.
Thank you sir po. So
good afternoon everyone, I am Chanel D.
I am Pauline Sullivan.
And I'm here today with Sir Erickson to ask questions about politicians. Sir, do you think many politicians are honest?
I don't think those politicians are honest because we have this timely issue about flood control projects corruption, so that reflects how corrupt politicians are. So we don't have honest politicians nowadays, but kung meron man, there are only few. So.
Sir, for your second question po, what is your opinion about government corruption po?
Government corruption is parang matagal na siyang issue na hindi pa nare-resolve. So, those corrupt politicians should be held accountable and they should be punished because they don't have rights to waste our nation's fund, and those money should be funded for projects like flood control projects, like environmental projects, but they are wasting those funds, so they should be punished and they should be accountable for those wrongdoings.
Thank you po sir for answering our question. That's all po. Thank you po.
Do you believe celebrities would make us a good politician, ate?
I believe no.
Bakit, ate?
I believe when it comes to politics, I think those who have studied law or yung may mas alam. Kasi most of the time, or parang ngayon, sa nangyayari ngayon, especially yung rampant na yung corruption, especially yung sa DPWH, di ba? So, mas kailangan natin ng leader na kailangan may alam sa law and kailangan mas magaling when it comes to that matter.
Oh. In that case, ate, anong type ng tao po ang dapat na iboto natin?
I think yung nakapag-study, may alam sa law, wala pang parang bad image or parang walang background ng any corruption.
Parang napunta po sa kulungan, ganun po.
Apo, like that. And tawag na ito, ano pa ba? Mas kailangan natin ng yun na lang.
Ano po ang pinaka-importanting issue na dapat unahin ng mga politician ngayon po?
Madaming issue na kailangan, pero I think yung sa corruption tsaka sa China, yung pag-agaw ng China sa sea natin, yun lang.
Salamat po sa oras ninyo. Salamat po. Do you believe celebrities would make a good politician, sir?
Ano ulit mo yung question?
Kuya, sa tingin mo ba na magiging magandang politician ang isang celebrity, sir? Kuya?
No.
Bakit, kuya?
Siyempre, wala silang masyadong background sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Especially kung may background sila, tapos nag-celebrity sila, tapos magpa-politician, di pwede nilang magamit yung background nila. Kung meron man, pwede nilang magamit sa pagpa-politician side nila.
In that case, kuya, anong type talaga ng tao ang dapat nating iboto, kuya?
Well, depende, nasa pananaw ng tao yan kung ano man yung gusto nila, gano'n. Pero kung statistically speaking, hindi yun nakakataas or whatsoever.
At saka, ano po yung sa tingin niyo ang pinaka-importante na issue na dapat na pakalagaan ng mga politician ngayon?
Siyempre yung honesty, siyempre, yung di corrupt, gano'n. Siyempre, makabagong kuha na tayo, marami na tayong masyadong nalalaman, di ba? So yun, be honest, gano'n.
Salamat po, kuya, sa oras ninyo.
Okay.
Do you believe celebrities would make up as a good politician today?
Ay, hindi. Kasi, parang ginagamit lang nila yung fame nila para sa, pag, kunyari sa voting, di ba gagamitin lang yung fame nila para
sila yung
maka-engage ng vote.
In that case, ate, anong tao talaga ang dapat kailangan natin iboto?
Yung may pinag-aralan din. Tsaka talaga may care sila sa tao, ganun.
Yung wala pong criminal records po.
Yeah,
ganun. At last po na tanong, what do you think are the most important issue na dapat na unahin ng mga politician ngayon po?
Ay, yung bagong issue nga na flood control. Kasi, syempre, unting ulan lang, marami nang nababaha today.
Sa mga ibang tao, no?
Yeah, yung mga, kunyari sa isang project nila sa river wall, ganun, sa may ilog. Yung yung ginagawa nilang river wall doon na madaling nasisira, ganun.
Salamat po, ate.
Thank you.